In front of me is Infinix S5, and let me show you how to add photo to a contact on the following device. So first of all, just open your phone dialer, go to the contacts and select the one that you would like to add this picture to. Click on edit icon, tap on the camera, and then you can either take a photo if someone is staying right in front of you, or you can choose something from your gallery. So let me choose a photo and just pick the one that you would like to apply. It can be this one, then you can customize it and tap on save. And here it is. Finally click on save to confirm. And as you can see, from now on this picture is assigned to this contact, and you can smoothly see this profile picture at first once Mary will be calling you. So this is it, that would be all. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.